Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 20. What is the common ratio of the GP we have in brackets root 10 plus root 5 plus in another bracket root 10 plus 2 root 5? So we are asked to find what the common ratio of this GP. Now, okay, this is actually comma here. So we have root 10 plus root 5, comma, root 10 plus 2 root 5. Now, like we know, common ratio R is equals to T2 over T1. Now, this is our T1 and this is our T2. So that means that R, which is the common ratio, is equals to root 10 plus 2 root 5, which is T2, all over root 10 plus root 5, which is T1. Now, using this, we're going to use what? We're going to rationalize this. Since it's in short form, we will simply rationalize this, and by rationalizing this, we multiply, we find the conjugate of this denominator here, which is 10 plus root 5. So conjugates, now, the conjugate of 10 plus root 5 will be equals to root 10 minus root 5, not longer root 10 plus 5. This is the conjugate. So multiply the numerator by this conjugate and also the denominator by the conjugate. So we'll have something like this now. We'll have, so this is equals to root 10 plus 2 root 5 all over root 10 plus root 5 multiply by root 10 minus root 5 all over root 10 minus root 5. So this will give us, this is equal to, in brackets, root 10 plus 2 root 5 then into root 10 minus root 5 all over root 10 plus root 5 into root 10 minus root 5. So this is it now. Now we now open this bracket. Open this bracket, this will give us root 10 times root 10 to give us 10. Then root 10 times minus 5 will give us minus root 50. Then plus 2 root 5 times root 10 will give us plus 2 root 50, then plus 2 root 5 multiplied by root 5 will give us what? Will give us minus 10, because root 5 times root 5 will give us what? 5. Then plus 2 times minus 5 will give us minus 10 all over 10 times 10 will give us 10. Then root 10 plus minus root 5 will give us minus root 50, plus 5 times root 10 plus root 5 times root 10 will give us also plus root 50. Then plus root 5 times minus root 5 will give us minus 5. So this is equal to, here now we'll have 10 minus 10, correcting like terms to give us 0. Then minus root 50 plus 2 root 50 will give us what? Root 50 all over. Now 10 minus 5 will give us 2. Then minus root 50 plus minus root 50 will give us 0. So we have all over 2. Now this is equals to, root 50 is the same thing as saying root 25 times 2 all over 2. And this is equals to, now 25 times 2 will give us 50. So this is the same thing as saying what? Root 25 will give us 5. Root 25 will give us 5. Sorry, 10 minus 5 here will give us 5, not 2. Sorry. 10 minus 5 will give us 5. Now, root 25 multiplied by 2 will give us root 25 multiplied by root 2 all over 5. And this is equals to 5 root 2 over 5. Now this 5 will cancel this 5, giving us what? Root 2. So the answer to this question is root 2, which is option B. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.